after using the back. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul. After using the back. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia! Panibagong araw na naman ang tagisan ng galing dito sa hardcourt. And live pa rin tayo sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And of course, meron din tayong live sa GNN-TV 48 Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. Napapanood din tayo sa ating digital channel, GNN-TV 48 Naga Channel 48.2. At napapanood din tayo sa cable via DCTV Channel 10 Naga. And I am Princess Rona Pisito, and with me is David Joshua Bernales, at kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa Day 7 ng Bucal Season 4. And ang Game 1 ay ihahatid sa atin ng Computer Communication Development Institute WILDCATS versus the CAMARINES POLYTECHNIC College Blue Stallions. Kabang-abang to David, Stallions versus WILDCATS.
Ayan, partner. So, both teams, no, kahapon, both came from a loss, and then ngayon makikita natin kung sino pa sa kanilang dalawa ang mananalo for this day. Pero bago ang lahat, partner, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kailin to give us an update kung ano ba yung strategy na ginagawa ng ating Blue Stallions. So, hi Kailin, ano ba ang updates dyan and kumusta ka?
Thank you, Joshua and Francis. Binabati ko po ngayon ang mga manonood natin online and live dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And now is the battle of the CCDI Wildcats and CSPC Blue Stallions. The Blue Stallions will not waste this chance to adjust from their 2 losses, for this is not a reason to back down from this game, and they will surely be much better and stronger. Here with me is the head coach of the Blue Stallions, Coach Peter John Barcelon. Hi, Coach Pete. How are you?
Hi everyone, especially dun sa mga nag-support sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Yeah.
So, Coach, nakausap ko nga pala yung mga assistant coaches noong first game nyo against the UNC Greyhounds, and I've heard that you've been training the Blue Stallions for almost 5 months now. So, what is the improvement that you see of the players from the start of your training up until now?
Well, the maturity is there, pero like I said, it's baby steps for us kasi kakasimula lang naman ng program. But we do hope that with this experience from Bucal, magpatuloy kami.
Thank you po. And from the last game against the ACC Green Serpents, about the 46 turnovers that were committed, what is your advice for the players for them to not commit the same errors this game?
If ever they commit 46 more turnovers this game, isang buong araw silang tatakbo. So they're afraid of that.
Thank you very much, Coach Pete, and good luck sa Blue Stallions. Tara na at subaybayan natin ang CSPC Blue Stallions as they will show a CSPC brand of basketball. Hi, I'm Kaylin Arlia and I am your courtside correspondent of the CAMARINES for Polytechnic College's Blue Stallions. And this is Bucal Season 4. That is the update. Back to you guys.
Ayan, maraming salamat kay Lynn and good luck para sa ating mga Blue Stallions. So partner, no, konting pag-usapan natin. Yung sabi ni Coach, no, one of their fatal errors last time was their 46 turnovers na napaka-crucial talaga yun. Hindi importante sa isang team yung mga unforced errors na ginagawa nila. Thus, dahil nangyari yon, unfortunately, natalo yung CSPC kahapon sa game nila.
And syempre, iiwasan ngayon ng players yung maraming turnovers. Sino ba naman ang gustong tatakbo ng isang buong araw?
Yeah.
Now, let's go over to the other side and hear from the WILDCATS team with our courtside reporter, Jessa. Hi, Jessa. Ano ang nakalap mong update dyan?
Hello, Josh and Francis. It's another day full of basketball actions. Bicolandia, we are live here at Ateneo Gymnasium para matunghayan ang bakbakan between CSPC Blue Stallions versus CCDI Wildcats. Brought to you by none other than GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. My name is Jasmine Navales, ang mag-ahatid sa inyo ng updates for CCDI Wildcats. In spite of the Wildcats standing after their previous games against NCF Tigers, Wildcats are still dedicated to bounce back from their losses and give us a good fight. Kasama ko nga ngayon ang head coach ng Wildcats na si Coach Billy Joe Belga. Good afternoon, Coach. Welcome back to the Ateneo Gymnasium. Coach, after the previous games of Wildcats, which is kahapon lang, and you don't have time to prepare that match for this matchup, what is your words of encouragement sa ating mga players before they entered the hard court?
Actually, yung ginawa nila kahapon, sobrang sobrang saya namin sa effort na binigay sa amin ng mga bata. And lumabas yung totoong laro ng CCDI Wildcats. So, we hope na dala nila hanggang ngayong laro dito sa against CSPC kasi hindi rin namin kasi galing din talo ang CSPC. So, we both going for the win. So, sana ganun pa rin yung ilaro ng Wildcats.
Ayan, very positive nga ang CCDI Wildcats. Coach, how does your previous games help the players to do better for this game?
Yung against namin sa Tigers, sa NCF Tigers is maganda yung tumaas din yung kumpiyansa ng mga bata. So sana magtuloy-tuloy and naibigay namin lahat yung best namin kasi kahapon ganun talaga binigay namin, best talaga, and sana ganito din sa laro namin against CSPC.
Ayan, good luck, Coach. Thank you so much for that. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa CCDI Wildcats. Balik sa inyo, Josh and Frances.
And maraming salamat, Jessa, and good luck, Coach Billy Joe Belga, and sa ating mga Wildcats. Pero yan nga, partner, no, habang ini-interview ni Jessa ang ating head coach ng Wildcats, nag-tip off na ang ating ball game for today. Ang ating score is 0 against 0 pa din with 9 minutes and 24 seconds into the shot clock. Bola ngayon ng ating Mariners. Pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Foul called on number 12. Correction po is Blue Stallions po ngayon. CSPC Blue Stallions. Okay, jersey number 1 with the ball. Passes to number 35. Extra pass to the outside man. Fires a 3. It won't go in, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul called on number 33. Ang ating Blue Stallions.
Kung mapapansin natin na David ay pinasa ng both coaches yung mabibigat nilang players sa first quarter.
Both teams parehong may big man sila sa ating court ngayon. And Wildcats, Camila going in, intercepted, stolen by number 1. Now going for a fast break, transition offense, extra pass to number 0, fakes, layup, no good. Second chance para kay number 0, but it's stolen again ng ating Wildcats. That's still gonna be Wildcats ball.
And bago yan, napasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, NGCP, National Agreed Corporation of the Philippines, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive Choose Mariners, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District, Cafe Amigo, Cochelitos Resort, Chamsur Viaje, Flowers and Beyond, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AET Ads, Department of Tourism, Region 5, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. We also have SM City, Naga, Wow Worlds of Water, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training Pool, Cap Azon, Peña Floor, NCF Wings because tigers can have wings, Mangkok's Kinalas, Kape ni Manoy, and Doña Osang Catering Services. Maraming salamat po sa aming sponsor.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. So ayan partner, 7 minutes into the ball game, wala pa ring puntos ang ating both teams, no? Maraming unforced errors for both sides, pero mga depensa ng parehong koponan is strong, kaya hanggang ngayon, no, almost 2.5 minutes na ang nakalipas, wala pa ring points ang ating mga teams. Possession ngayon ng ating Stallions. Fires a 3, no good.
And nagkaroon po ng substitution kanina sa Wildcats team. Pinasok si Flanco and nagpahinga muna si Ayo.
And may nakita tayong late whistle coming from our referee. A foul called on number 13 ng ating Blue Stallions. Amila ngayon, mid-range jumper is good, putting the Wildcats into our scoreboard. This is their first points ngayon sa ating first quarter ng Wildcats. Mid-range jumper coming from Amila. Ngayon, number 1, crossing over his defender, going all the way, floater is no good. Fast break ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Number 17, medyo nabitawan ng bola to stop the fast break, and it's stolen by number 0 ngayon. Magdadala na siya ng bola. Extra pass to the outside man. Thought about the 3. Sidestep, and no good. Amila ngayon, double teamed by the Stallions. Same ball. May timeout na tinawag ang ating Blue Stallions. Ang ating score is 2-0 with 6.5 minutes remaining sa ating quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Wildcats versus the Blue Stallions.
Yes, partner. And unang puntos pa lang is napupunta pa lang sa ating Wildcats. Our Blue Stallions still yet to make a score dito sa ating ball game. Mid-range jumper kay number 0 is no good. Ngayon, bola ng ating Wildcats. Blanco passes 3 outside man, fires a 3. That's gonna be no good, pero may second chance effort. Offensive rebound si number 10. Nabitawan yung bola and that's gonna be a turnover. Unforced error para sa ating Wildcats. And partner, no? One of the things na both teams ng ating first game ngayon is may problema sa kanila is the turnovers na ginagawa nila, no? Kahapon ako yung nag-shoutcast doon game ng CCDI and nakita ko din ang isa sa mga errors nila is their turnovers, pero no, napakaganda nung larong pinakita nila against the NCF Tigers, no? Muntik pa silang makahabol, within 1 na lang yung lamang noon ng ating Tigers, and isa sa mga mistakes na nangyari sa kanila doon is yung turnovers talaga nila.
And makikita natin ngayon kung natuto na ba ang Wildcats team mula sa kanilang napakaraming turnovers na nakumita kahapon.
Yan. 5 minutes into the ball game, 4-0 pa rin ang ating Wildcats. And ayun, number 35 puts their team in the scoreboard. Dalawa ang lamang ng ating Wildcats. And there's a whistle called by our referee. Foul called on number 13 ng ating Blue Stallions. And there is a substitution para sa ating Blue Stallions. And syempre, wag natin kakalimutan ang ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Shout out kay Eddie Saludo. And shout out din kay Felix Shano.
And go CCDI Wildcats galing yan kay Hula de Jesus Belga.
And shoutout din sa level 4 group 2 student nurses ng Ateneo de Naga University, and shoutout po sa inyo. And yan partner, no, tumawag ng timeout kanina ang ating Blue Stallions. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kailin kung ano nga ba yung mga changes na ginawa ni coach para sa kanyang team. Hi Kailin!
Hi Joshua and Francis. As per Coach Peter Barcelon from their huddle, the players will have adjustments with their offense, and Coach Peter is instructing the players to execute lang nila ng maayos ang kanilang game plan. That is the update. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kailin at partner, no, makikita natin yung mga changes na yon if magiging effective ba dito sa ating 4-minute clock ng ating first quarter. Pero ayan, back to the ball game. Number 18 tries for a 3 but it doesn't go in. Pero may offensive rebound siya. Spin move, floater, no good. And may whistle ang ating referee. There's gonna be a foul called in jersey number 2 free throws ngayon ay mapupunta sa ating number 10, si Gigante ng ating Wildcats. And a shoutout kay Manoy Dodoy, yung driver ng ating CSTC Blue Stallion. Shoutout po sa inyo, care of Bart Vasquez.
And go CCDI Wildcats galing yan kay Claire Jin. And good luck at CSTC, sabi na Tisoy Buboy.
Second shot, no good para kay Gigante. Ngayon, fast break ang ating Blue Stallions. Number 45, nabitawan ng bola. That's gonna be an unfortunate turnover para sa ating Blue Stallions. And sub out si number 0 to number 7. Yun partner, si number 0, isa sa mga best players ng ating Blue Stallions. Dati siyang player ng NCF, if I'm not mistaken, si Nianggar Jan Laiko. Number 16, Hamila. Extra pass to number 10. Mid-range jumper is good. Putting the Wildcats into a 4-point lead going in this first quarter. Ngayon, Moran passes to number 11. Number 45, thought about that 3-pointer. Step back. Stolen by number 6. Blanco ngayon, fast break. One-on-one fast break. 2-pointer layup is good.
Iba ba yung Niagara na naglaro kahapon siya, Nianggar, ngayong araw?
Yung sa ACC partner,
Si Niagara.
Nagar yun.
Oo,
Nagar.
Nagar.
Ito sa ating Blue Stallions, Nianggar. Yes. And ayan, nakuha ulit ni number 1. Spin move, extra pass to the outside man. Number 11 thought about that 3-pointer. No good. Extra pass again to number 45. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Moran. And that's gonna be a troubling violation para sa number 33 ng ating Blue Stallions.
And to give us an update, side reporter na si Jessa all the way from the Wildcats bench. Hi Jessa, ano ang nakalap mo dyan?
What an exciting match we have between CSPC Blue Stallions versus CCDI Wildcats. The game has just started pero napakainit na agad ng labanan sa loob ng hardcourt. During the dugout, coaches advised the boys to keep their composure at wag magpapadala sa init ng ulo. According to Coach Billy, just challenge the opponent. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa CCDI Wildcats bench. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Jessa from the bench of our Wildcats. So partner, isa sa mga nasabi ni Coach Billy Joe Belga sa kanyang team is challenge the ball. Nakikita natin na napaka-effective ng strategy na ginawa yun ni Coach because nape-pressure ang ating Blue Stallions. Marami silang unforced error na nagagawa early on this first quarter. Pero ayan nga, let us see kung magiging mas effective pa yan dito sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. And ayan, fast break ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Number 19 jumps for the ball pero may nakikitang foul ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul call on number 11 ng ating Blue Stallions.
Ito, kakagaling sa laro yung parehong kupunan, yung Blue Stallions and the Wildcats kahapon.
Yes,
Kumbaga, konti lang yung araw o oras ng kanilang pahinga.
If I'm not mistaken, partner, lahat ng games ngayon that this week is lahat ng teams ay magkakaroon ng back-to-back games. Nakita natin yung isang araw, nung Friday naglaro ang NCF, then yesterday kalaban nila yung ating Wildcats. Yesterday yung Wildcats, ngayon may laro din pareho din sa ating Blue Stallions.
And sa mga nagtatanong po ng schedule ngayong araw, yun nga, first game ay CSPC Blue Stallions and CCDI Wildcats. Second game ay Annunciation Panthers versus the Adnu Golden Knights. And ang third and last game natin ngayong araw ay ihahatid ng ACC Green Circus and UNC Greyhounds.
Yun. Triple header tayo ngayon ang araw. Sunday is the third day para sa ating week ngayon. Moran fires at 3. Does not go in. Rebound by Blanco. Ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Blanco loses the ball. Stolen. Intercepted by number 35. Ngayon 3 on 3 fast break. Number 77. Extra pass at 35. Beautiful pass. And the shot by number 35. 2-point lead na lang ang meron ng ating Wildcats. Number 13 ngayon, Navo. Going all the way. My foul. Nakita ang ating ref. It's gonna put him to the charity stripe for 2 shots.
And ang ating score, 8-6 lamang para ng CCDI Wildcats. And meron na lamang tayong 1 minute and 10 seconds sa ating first quarter.
So shout out kay Donna Mamu Peratero na nag-cheer para sa ating Wildcats. And syempre shout out din kay Ashley Magada, support sa ating Wildcats.
Nagpapa-shoutout din na si Del Castillo aming FB Live.
And the second shot para kay Navo. It's gonna be a good 2-for-2 ngayon si Navo sa free throw line. 10-6 ang ating score. 77 to number 35. Guarded by number 13 ngayon. Nagdadala ng bola. Back to number 35. Sets up a 3. No good. Pero may second chance effort sila. Number 77. Back to number 7. Fires a 3. Tries one. but no good. Third chance again, isa pa. Number 35, may dala ng bola. Side step, extra pass to the big man. Back to the outside shooter, 77. Pukol ng 3, wala pa rin. And fast break ngayon ng ating Blue Wildcats. What a beautiful shot, a fadeaway shot by Navo, pero hindi pumasok. Second chance effort para sa kanya. 3-point is good para sa ating Wildcats. 20 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. 36 ang ating score. Shot clock is off. Last possession ba ng ating Blue Stallions. Moran with the ball. Passes to number 77. Back to 35. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 8 tries a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Moran. Floater does not go in. And that is gonna be the end of our first quarter. Ng score 13-6 in favor ng ating Wildcats. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
You are watching Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. Ang ating score ay 13-6 and lamang pa rin ang CCDL Wildcats and papasok na tayo sa ating second quarter.
Pero ayan partner, i-shoutout muna natin si Arion Joshua and Giancarlo Pantua Anyes. And ayan, start ng ating second quarter. Ng big man ngayon ng ating Wildcats with the floater does not go in para sa kanyang first shot dito sa ating second quarter. Number 1 ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions with the ball. Passes to Moran ngayon kay Nyangar. Nyangar sets up a mid-range jumper. Comes up short. Fast break ngayon. 2-on-1 fast break. Layup. Does not go good, pero yung pass na yun is a turnover and now Trinidad with that 2-pointer putback. Second chance effort para sa ating Wildcats. 15-6 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ating Wildcats, pero number 1 fires at 3 and that's gonna be a beautiful 3-point shoot para sa ating Stallions.
Ang Felix ng CSPC Blue Stallions.
Blanco ngayon almost loses the ball, turns the ball over, pero that's gonna be a ball para sa ating Blue Stallions. And a shoutout din kay Johnny Detera na nagsusuporta sa ating CCDI Wildcats, SORSOGON Sportswear. Shoutout po sa inyo. Number 35 tries a 3 pero does not go in. Ngayon, half-court pass intercepted by number 35 pero bola pa rin ng ating Wildcats. 9-15 ang ating score. Yun, partner, no? Mabuti hindi pa lumulumo sa double-digit lead ang ating Wildcats. Ang kailangan mag-double time ngayon ng ating Stallions para makapaghabol sila and eventually makapaglamang dito sa ballgame na to. Ngayon, fast break sila. Number 1, Tunyanggar. Pero intercepted yung pasa nila. But it's still gonna be Blue Stallions.
And medyo mababa yung score ng parehong team para sa second quarter.
Too many unforced errors ng ating first quarter and then syempre yung intensity na pinapakita ng parehong kupunan. Kaya which led to very low percentage offensive strides kanina sa ating first quarter.
Kailangan nila nga mag-pay attention ng moment by moment para maiwasan turnovers, violations and mga penalties.
Number 1 ngayon, almost loses the ball, passes to the outside man. Number 7 going all the way. Triple team ngayon, Nyanggar. Jelly layup, hindi pumasok. Ngayon, fast break, 1-on-1, nabitawan ng bola. That's gonna be Blue Stallions ball. And yan, nagpo-full court trapping na ang ating Wildcats dito sa ating second quarter. Number 1 ngayon, nagdadala ng bola. Fires a long two-pointer. That's gonna be good para kaya number 1. 4-point lead na lang ang meron ng ating Wildcats. Paunti-unti nakakapaghabol ang ating Stallions. And let's see kung may answer back ang ating Wildcats. Pero ayan, fast break, 3-on-1 fast break layup para kay number 35 is good. 2-point lead na lang ang meron ang ating Wildcats and a timeout was called by our Wildcats. 13-15 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang ating Wildcats. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 7 minutes and 26 seconds para sa ating second quarter and lamang ng 2 puntos ang CCDI Wildcats.
Unti-unti, partner, nakakapaghabol ang ating Blue Stallions dito sa ating second quarter. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game ngayon, possession ng ating Wildcats. Let's see if kung may answer back sila doon sa 7-0 run ng ating Blue Stallions. Pero ayun, may foul call sa number 7 ng ating Stallions. 2 shots ngayon para kay Hamila. First shot is good para sa ating Wildcats.
And a shout out po kay Tristan Aliorca, solid fan ng NCF Tigers.
Second shot is good para sa ating Wildcats. And ayan, partner na tumawag ng timeout kanina si Coach Belga. And ngayon, tawagin natin ang ating courtside correspondent ng ating Wildcats, si Jessa, to give us kung ano ang naging changes ni Coach Belga. Hi Jessa, ano ang mga changes na ginawa ni Coach?
Josh and Francis, as we can see, CCDI Wildcats Wildcats established good starting point through continuous challenging their opponent. Coach Billy emphasized backs out to increase their chances of getting rebounds. Dagdag pa nga ni Coach Billy to trust the system. Are they going to give us consistent performance? Aabangan natin yan. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Jessa. And ayun nga, partner, no? Challenge pa rin the ball, sabi ni Coach. Pero nakikita natin na napaka-effective nung strategy na yun kanina. Pero as the time progressed, nagiging inconsistent sila. Ngayon, nakakapaghabol ang ating Blue Stallions na nakikita natin 2 points na lang ang meron hawak ang ating Wildcats. And ayun, another unforced error sa ating sa loob ng court. 8-second violation, turnover na naman ng Wildcats. Wala ngayon ang Stallions and may chance sila ngayon na lumamang or mag-tie sa ball game na ito.
And kung sa lahat ng mga sumusubaybay sa CSPC Blue Stallions, ito yung team na mahilig magpainit muna ng halimbawa magpapainit muna sa first quarter at babawi ng second quarter or third quarter.
And let's give a shout out kay Kimberly Alanes na nanonood sa ating Facebook page. Hi Kim!
Hi Kim! Happy watching!
Ngayon, number 35 with the ball. Passes to Nianggar. Sidestep floater. Hindi pumasok. Fast break ngayon ng ating Wildcats. That's gonna be a 2-pointer para kay Lanuza ng ating Wildcats. Number 13 to number 1. Almost thought about a 3 reverse layup. Blocked by Hamila. Nianggar with a rebound again. Number 35 ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Pass to the outside man. Tries the 3. Number 1. It's good. Para sa Blue Stallions.
Si Deang, number 1.
Yes. Isang puntos na lang, partner, ang meron ang ating Wildcats. Pero ayan, Hamila tries to get another 2-pointer. No good. 3-on-2 fast break. Intercepted. And a turnover para sa ating Stallions. Ngayon, Lanuza going all the way. Floater. No good. Pero may foul ang ating referee and that's gonna put him inside of the free throw line.
Ito, nakakahabol ang ating CFPC Blue Stallions sa isang puntos na lang ang lamang ang CCDI Wildcats.
First shot ni Lanuza is no good sa kanyang free throw shot. And for the second shot, the jumper is ready. Still, no good. 2 for 4. Si Lanuza sa free throw line. Nabo ngayon. Passes to Hamila. Tries a 3. No good. Pero may second chance effort si Lanuza. Passes to the outside man. Fires a 3. Wala pa rin. Number 2 coming up with that rebound. Ngayon, nasa point guard ng ating Blue Stallions. Number 35, nabitawan ng bola. Pero turns the ball over ngayon. Number 1. Going all the way, side step floater, no good. Lanuza ngayon with the rebound. And number 35.
And now we want to find out what Coach told the boys during the timeout. Tawagin natin ang ating kasama courtside na reporter, si Kylin, all the way from the Blue Stallions bench. Hi Kylin, ano ang nasagap mga balita during the timeout?
Hi Joshua and Francis, the Blue Stallions are still striving for winning this matchup. And from the dugout, sabi ni Coach Peter na paunti-unti nang humahabol ang Blue Stallions. Kaya naman, he reminded the players to not lose focus. That is the update. Back to the panel.
Habang nagsasalita si Kylin nung kanyang update sa ating courtside is nag-challenge si Coach Barcelona dun sa isang nangyaring play kanina sa ating court. Pero ayan, partner, we will be going on a short commercial break muna habang nire-review ng ating mga officials yung ating nangyaring play. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Short jumper using the block. using the black. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 4 minutes and 27 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras sa ating second quarter. 19-18, 1 point lead ng CCDI Wildcats. Ito may desisyon na ang nagre-review pa ba sa likod ang ating referee.
Ayun, partner, no? Nakita natin, narinig natin na kay referee na number 15 ng ating Wildcats is called for a technical foul for excessive swinging of the elbow. Ayan. And ayan, may free throw na gagawin sa number 35. That will not go in. Possession ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Na may substitution na nangyari. 35 is going out. Number 7 is in para sa ating ball game na ito. And ayan, shout out kay Benedict John na nanonood in support of the Wildcats. And syempre kay Aini Dominguez na nagsusuporta din sa ating mga Wildcats. Thank you so much sa inyong support sa Bucal and sa inyong mga teams. And ayan, partner, going back sa ating ball game. Navo ngayon guarded by number 77. Passes to Hamila. Hamila, mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound ngayon ni number 2. Double team ng ating Wildcats. Muntik pang magkaroon ng turnover. Number 77 to number 13. Back to number 77. Moran ngayon. Nagdala ng bola. Passes to number 7. Number 2, that's gonna be traveling violation called para sa ating Blue Stallions.
Shoutout kay Lisela Trigala II. Galing yan kay Aini Dominguez. And yes naman, hi mga mom. Siya sabi ni Kimberly Alanis.
Yun. Bola ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Hamila ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 13. Number 15 ngayon. Fires a 3. That's gonna be a good 3-pointer para kay number 15.
Bongga Pata George.
22-18 ang ating score. 4-point lead ang meron ang ating Wildcats. Number 33, Moran ngayon. Pinasa sa point guard nila. Number 7. Back to number 2. Fires a 3. Revenge 3-point shot. Would not go in. Mila ngayon. Bullet pass from the half court. Bitawan yung bola, pero that's still gonna be the possession of our Wildcats. Foul called kay number 2.
May substitution sa Blue Stallions. Pinasok at si number 8, Terry Abras.
And the shoutout kay Jumil Padillo, courtesy of Joshua Casiro. Ayan, shoutout sa inyong dalawa. And ayan guys, don't forget to like and share ang ating stream. Like, comment, and share dito sa ating stream para maraming viewers ang makalap ng ating Bucal and GNN Sports TV Facebook page.
And Bucal Facebook page.
Number 7 ngayon, broken pass, hindi niya nasalo. That's gonna be a turnover para sa ating Stallions. 2 minutes, 49 seconds remaining ng ating first half. Double team ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions. Tumapak sa linya, and that's gonna be the ball ulit ng ating Wildcats. Lanusa ngayon, pupunta kay Navo. Complete inbound. Navo. passes to Camila, fires a 3, that's good! 3-pointer para sa ating Wildcats. Back-to-back 3-pointers courtesy of Bucal and Camila ng ating Wildcats, putting them into a 7-point lead. Fadeaway jumper ngayon sa ating Blue Dolphins is no good. 2 shots para kay number 7. And ayan ang first shot ng ating number 7 ngayon is good. 19-25 ang ating score. One more shot para kay number 7.
Pasalamatan na din natin yung mga Bukala executives. Andan yung Founder Emeritus Father Danilo Imperiala, President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President Roel Rosales, Secretary Don Razona, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Auditor Dwight Lamet, Board Members Francisco Para Jr., and John Francis Arialubit, and Tournament Manager Dwight Lamet, and Bucal Season 4 Secretary Sofia Benemerito.
And ayan, partner, no? The Navo fires that mid-range jumper, hindi tumama sa ating ring. Ngayon, bola ng ating Blue Stallions. Half-court pass kay number 33. Ayun, nabitawan number 7. That's gonna be a turnover. Navo with the steal. Pero ayan, stolen again by number 33. And ayan, Blue Stallions ball. Number 7, tumira ng 3, no good, air ball yun. Number 2, saves the ball. Nakuha ni number 33. Ngayon, number 1, pumuko ng 3, wala pa rin. And ngayon, bola ng ating Wildcats. Gigante. What a nice fake. Tapos yung floater, hindi lang pumasok pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. There's gonna be a foul called on number 8 ng ating Blue Stallions. That's gonna put Gigante on the free throw line to make 2 shots para sa kanyang team.
And a shout out kay Raymond Montero watching from Australia.
First shot is good para sa ating Wildcats.
And a shout out din sa Tristan Stantil Art watching from CCDI Naga School.
And ayan, number 1, may dala ng bola para sa ating Blue Stallions. And ayan, a shot kay Dan Gianan na nanonood ngayon dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. Moran ngayon with the layup and no good. Pass break ang ating Wildcats, nabitawan yung bola and stolen ni number 1. Ngayon, counter pass break number 7, layup is good. 4-point lead na lang ang meron ng ating Wildcats with less than a minute remaining sa ating first half ng ball game na ito. First game ng ating Day 7 of Bucal Season 4. Yung 3-pointer na yun did not hit the ring, and that's in the air ball. Bola ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions.
And mamaya after nito nga second quarter, makikita na natin sa ating halftime analysis kung yung mga turnovers, number of turnovers na nagawa ng both teams.
Yes, partner, no. Number 2 ngayon, extra pass, number 7, beautiful pass and a layup by number 7. And number 2 ng ating Blue Stallions, ang ganda ng connection na yun na ginawa nila. Ayan, number 6, Blanco loses the ball. Pero na-regain niya. Ngayon, ang pass break, ang Lanusa, 2-pointer para sa kanya. Shot clock is off. Bola ngayon ng ating Stallions, kanilang last possession. Number 2, 10 seconds remaining. To number 8, back to number 1. 3 seconds to shoot. Number 1 fires a 3. Does not make it, and that's gonna be the end of our first half. Ang ating score, 28-24. Lamang ng 4 na puntos ang ating Wildcats. Don't go anywhere, guys. Magbabalik kami. And after the short break, we will give you our halftime analysis. This is Bucal Season 4, live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the back.
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, and I will be your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Before, na-involve talaga ako sa sports since bata pa ako kasi may asthma ako and yung swimming ko is nakatulong siya as a therapy for my asthma. Then, once I entered elementary, nagkaroon ako ng interest sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Then, I continued playing volleyball until high school. So, you guys will expect me to be with you in this season of Bucal and ihahatid ko sa inyo ang mga balitan na nangyayari all throughout the game.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga.
I am Jessamine P. Navales from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, and I am your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I enjoyed performing in front of the crowd, but at the same time, I am very grade conscious. Despite of being so active on some extracurriculars, minimake sure ko pa din na mabalance ko yung time ko sa studies ko. I am beyond blessed because hindi po lahat nabibigyan ng chance to be part of Bucal. And I'm very thankful for Bucal for giving me the training na for sure na madadala ko sa future. I will make sure to keep you updated sa mga dapat niyong malaman sa loob ng hardcore.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang go bag. Ang isang go bag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars o energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
So ngunyan yaw kita digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow, so ngunyan hihilingon ta po ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Welcome in the half, ladies and gentlemen, as we are set to give you the halftime analysis on our first 20 minutes of action. Kaya David, please walk us through.
Ayan, so halftime score natin, partner, no? 28-24 lamang ang ating Wildcats. Ito ang stats nila. So makikita mo, partner, no, napakababa ng field goal percentage ng both teams dito. 2 points. 25.93 lang ang ating CCDI Wildcats. Sa 27 shots na ginawa nila, 7 lang ang na-make nila doon. And sa ating Blue Stallions naman, napakaganda ng free throw percentage nila, 67.6%. Pero ito, partner, no, ang isa sa mga reasons kung bakit lumamang ang ating Wildcats ngayon, with their total rebounds nila is 32. And 10 doon are offensive rebounds. Second chance points nila is 3. Pero ito, partner, yung sinasabi nga nila, both teams struggling with unforced errors, yung mga turnovers nila. Sa isang half nila, 15 turnovers sa ating Wildcats and 11 turnovers sa ating Wildcats. Makikita natin, partner, kung magkakaroon ba ng mga adjustments ang ating both teams na ito sa pagpasok ng ating second half.
Ayun, thank you so much, David. And maraming salamat din sa mga kasama naming statisticians.
Going into the ball game ngayon, ang ating score is 28-26. 2 points na lang ang ng ating Wildcats. Outside shooter fires a 3 ng Wildcats. No good. A rebound ni number 1. Fast break pero intercepted by Lanuza. Lanuza ngayon going all the way. Floater. No good. Second chance effort. Gigante. Floater. It's good. Para kay Gigante. 2-pointer. Para sa ating Wildcats ngayon.
And pa-shoutout po dito sa San Fernando Buena Vista MVP. Galing yan kay Cesar Mayores at Takador.
Yangar, mid-range jumper, in and out, no good. Blanco ngayon, nagmamadali, nagdadala ng bola, extra pass to Gigante, Lanuza. No good. Rebound ni number 35, fast break ngayon, 2-on-1 fast break, layup, in and out. Offensive rebound ni Yangar, pero that was a block. 1 fast break ngayon ng Wildcats. Easy 2-pointer para kay number 11 ng Wildcats. And that's gonna be a timeout called by our Blue Stallions. Ang score natin 32-26. This is we will be right back after this break.
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para ihatid sa inyo ang mga kapanabik-nabik na aksyon sa hardcore.
Yes, our partner. And ayan, ball possession ngayon ng ating CS. PC Blue Stallions, Moran ngayon. Pinasa sa labas. That's gonna be turnover. And ayan, partner, after coming out of this timeout, nagtawag ang ating Blue Stallions. And here to give us an update is Kylene ng ating Blue Stallions. Hi Kylene, ano ba ang changes na ginawa ni Coach sa kanyang team?
Joshua and Francis, the Blue Stallions are not losing hope in this game, and from the dugout, Coach Peter is emphasizing what happened from the last 2 games of the Blue Stallions to help them become motivated and optimistic in the last 2 quarters. That is the latest from my side. Back to you guys.
And ayan, maraming salamat Kylene Yun ang partner, no? Sabi ni Coach, never lose hope. Marami pang, there's still a lot of time para magkaroon ng comeback dito sa ating ball game na ito. And ayan, 2 points na lang ang lamang ulit ng ating Wildcats, pero hindi pa rin nakakapagkuha ng kalamangan ang ating CSBC into this ball game na ito. In the 3 quarters, na-maintain pa rin ng Wildcats ang kanilang kalamangan.
Pero maliit lang yung iwan ang nagagawa ng CCDI Wildcats.
Yeah, partner. And ayan, bola ngayon ng ating Wildcats. 6 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter na ito. They have only 10 seconds to shoot. Ngayon, Hamila. Pump fake. Mid-range jumper, no good. Rebound ngayon ni number 35. Bullet pass, intercepted ni Hamila. Ngayon, siyang nagdadala ng bola. Turnover ngayon ng ating Stallions. Lanuza, pump fake, going all the way, layup, it's good. What a beautiful shot by Lanuza, plus a foul to give them a chance for a 3-point shot. Ayan, nakikita natin partner ng ating instant replay powered by Converge. Ayun, napakaganda yung layup ni Hamila.
6 minutes and 1 second sa ating third quarter. Score is 34-30 in favor of CCDI Wildcats.
One shot para kay Lanuza ngayon. And he completes the 3-point play. Pero ayun partner, no, kanina tinawag natin si Kylie kung ano yung changes na ginawa ng ating Blue Stallions. Ngayon, tawagin naman natin si Jessa to give her update para sa side naman ng ating Wildcats. Hi Jessa, ano ang iyong update dyan?
Well, thank you, Josh and Francis. We are now at the second half. Wildcats gives not just double, but multiple efforts knowing na nakakahabol ang kalaban. According to their team captain, to calm down and just enjoy the game. Then stop rushing the game in order for them to keep their composure. Coaches also advise the boys to communicate and trust their teammates and much better to do an early peak para hindi maiwan ng kasama. During the dugout, Coach Billy also pointed out na hihigpitan nila ang kanilang depensa. Yan lang muna ang latest mula rito. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Jessa. And ayun yung partner, no, sabi ni Coach sa kanyang mga team, sa kanyang team is communicate and trust your teammates, ano? Basketball is a nila ng team chemistry, need nilang magtiwala sa isa't isa in order to form one single good play. Sunod. And ayan partner, no, makikita natin kung magiging effective ba yung changes na ginawa ni Coach para sa ating Wildcats. Ayan, gigante yung reverse layup is no good. Ngayon, bola ng ating Stallions, number 1. With the ball, gives to number 7. Napitawan, turnover. Fast break ngayon. 3-on-2, fast break. Lanuza going all the way. Layup is no good.
Na-mention na ni Coach Baby yung effective communication na kailangan alert kung kanino ipapasa yung bola, kung may substitution ba or kung sino yung kailangan ng tulong.
And ayan, hindi nga pumasok yung fast break ni Lanuza pero may foul pa rin na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots para sa kanya. First shot is good para kay Lanuza ngayon. Three-point lead na ang meron ng ating Wildcats. Lanuza with his second shot is good. And ayan, 4-point lead na naman ulit ang ating Wildcats. 4 minutes and 50 seconds na titira sa ating third quarter. Number 13 ngayon. Back to number 2. Number 7, number 1. Back to number 7. 3-point team ng ating Wildcats. Number 1, din a double team. Desperation 3-point shot. No good. And that's gonna be Wildcats ball. And ayan, number 17 ngayon may dala ng bola para sa ating Wildcats. Ellie passes to Amila with a mid-range 2-pointer. It's good. 5-point lead. 7-point lead ang meron ng ating Wildcats. Number 1 ngayon. 3-point shoot is no good. And that's gonna be back to Wildcats ball. Substitution ngayon. Number 7 out. Number 0 in. Nyanggar. Babalik siya ngayon sa ating hardcourt. Ellie ngayon may dala ng bola para sa ating Wildcats. Guarded by Deyang. 17, nagtawag ng bola, lumabas sa ating bleachers. That's going to be a turnover on the side of our Wildcats. 13 with the ball. Ngayon, dala-dala ni Moran. Moran passes to the outside man. Number 1 back to Moran. Extra pass to the inside man. Number 13 fires an outside 3. It's good para kay number 13. 3-pointer, 35-39 ang score. Balik sa 4 ang lamang ng ating Wildcats. Blanco, salo yung bola. And that's still gonna be Wildcats ball. Tumama sa spot ni Deyang.
3 minutes and 14 seconds for our third quarter, 39-35 ang ating score.
Sabat, lalabas si number 1 in place of number 77. Ngayon, inbound play completed by Blanco. Back to Hamila. Hamila ngayon, double team ng dalawang Stallions. Bitaw ng bola pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Foul kay jersey number 2. Yun ng ating Wildcats. Tawa ng bola and that's gonna be a turnover para sa Wildcats. Bola ngayon ng ating Stallions. 3 minutes remaining sa ating quarter na ito. And nami-maintain pa rin talaga ng ating Wildcats ang lead nila.
And sa aming viewers, stay lang po kayo dyan dahil ang second game, 2 p.m. ay hahatid ng Panthers and Golden Knights.
Ayun, magandang laban yan, partner.
For sure, magsisipasok lahat yung fans ng Panthers and Golden Knights dito sa gym.
Number 11 ngayon, tries, but smothered by the defense ng ating Wildcats. Hamila passes to the outside man, fires a 3. No good. Ngayon, Nyanggar. Counter fast break. 2-on-2 fast break ngayon. Nyanggar. Napitawan yung bola. Nice D by the Wildcats. Lanusa ngayon. 3-on-2 fast break. Layup. No good. And a foul was called. That's gonna be a foul called on number 13 ng ating Stallions.
And mag-free throw sila Liza.
Good para kay Lanuza. 40-35, 5 na naman ulit ang lamang ng ating Wildcats.
And nagpapashoutout si Adrian Ojico de Los Santos. Proud CCDI po ako. Thank you so much for watching.
Man. Number 11 ngayon with the ball. Bitaw na bola, turnover ngayon, pero nakuha ulit ng number 11. Number 77 with the ball ngayon ng ating Stallions. Balik kay Nyanggar. Nyanggar ngayon trying to make a play para sa kanyang team, pero nabitawan ng bola. Navo with the steal. 2-on-2 fast break and a foul was called on jersey number 0. Nyanggar picks that foul. That's gonna be a penalty shot para sa ating Wildcats. Navo will head to the line to give us 2 shots.
And pa-shoutout din kay Dana Giana na galing kay Cristiano Coliantes for the go CSPC, sabi ni Althea Mea Bazur.
First shot is good para kay Navo ngayon. Second shot, no good. The rebound ngayon ni number 11, ngayon number 45, yung mamadali. Hawak ngayon ni number 1. Number 45, fires at 3, no good. Rebound ngayon ni Hamila. Passes to Eli. Eli ngayon, floater, no good. Number 45, bitawan ng bola, and that's gonna be kickball. Wala ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Kaniyete ngayon mag-i-inbound ng bola. Receive by Bongapat. Bongapat, medyo napitawan yung bola. Heavily guarded by number 2. Saves the ball. Mid-range jumper. No good. Foul called on Navo. Pushing foul. That will be turnover para sa kanila. Bola ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions.
And a substitution sa Blue Stallions sa pinasok si number 5 Lucenia.
Number 2 ngayon with the ball. Number 5. Back to number 1. Number 1 ngayon making a play para sa kanyang team. Passes to the inside man. Number 2 floater. No good. Huli ni number 1. Saved by number 33 ngayon, number 5, back to number 2, tries a 3, wala pa rin. Navo with the ball, passes to the outside man ngayon. And to Trinidad, no good sa kanyang 3. Number 1 ngayon with the ball. Intercepted pass. Pero bola ngayon ng Wildcats, turnover para kay number 2. And yung quarter now, only 18 seconds na lang palang natitira sa ating third quarter. Grabe.
Napakabilis ng oras.
Smarter. Exactly. 6-point lead ang meron ang ating Wildcats, pero
magre-review.
Yes, the referees will review a play that happened a while ago. Pero bago yan, partner, magpupunta muna tayo for a short commercial break. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We'll be right back.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and 18 seconds na lang para sa ating third quarter.
And ayan partner, ball possession ay mapupunta unsure pa rin partner kung kanino nga ba yung ball possession to the Wildcats to end this third quarter. Ngayon Bonggapat ngayon may dala ng bola, back to Hamila with 10 seconds remaining. 3-point shoot is good para kay number 11. 44-35 na ang ating score. 3 seconds to shoot. Moran going all the way. Fires. And that's gonna be the end ng ating third quarter. 44-35 ang ating score. Lamang ang ating CCDI Wildcats. This is Bucal Season 4 live only here at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon, magbabalik po kami for your fourth quarter.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa inaabangang laro ng CCDI Wildcats and Blue Stallions.
We are now in our fourth and final quarter dito sa ating Game 1 matchup natin ngayong Sunday, kung saan lamang partner ang ating CCDI Wildcats. And yun, may foul. Nakita ang ating ref. 2 shots para kay Gigante ngayon sa free throw line. And yan partner, no? CSPC has not led this matchup since the beginning of this ball game. Pero there's still a lot of time remaining dito sa fourth quarter to make a comeback. They just need to get their head in the game and focus on winning dito sa matchup na ito.
And kung sakaling makuha ito ng CCDI Wildcats ay first time nilang mananalo ng Bucal sa Bucal Season of 4.
You know? Pero ngayon mag-i-inbound si Nianggar para sa ating Stallions. Received by number 1. Ayun, number 1, back to Nianggar. Nianggar almost lost the ball. Extra pass number 13. Number 13, reverse layup is good para sa ating Stallions. Single digit lead na lang ang meron ng ating CCDI Wildcats. Ayun, nabitawan ang bola. That's gonna be a turnover para sa ating Wildcats ngayon. And ayan, inbound received by number 35. Pero yan, partner, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Jessa to give us an update coming out of that third quarter. Hi Jessa, ano ang iyong update on the side of our Wildcats?
As the players continue to execute the game plan properly, coaches are also keeps on clapping their hands to the players' performance. Sabi nga ni Coach, lamang tayo pero di pwedeng mag-relax at wala nang laro bukas. Yan lang muna ang latest mula dito sa Wildcats bench. Balik sa inyo, Joshua and Francis.
Yan, maraming salamat Jessa. Ayun nga partner, tama yung sinabi ni Coach, wag na munang mag-relax kahit kayo ang nasa lamang. Never relax and overcompensate sa inyong kalamangan kasi anytime kapag nakita ng iyong kalaban na nag-relax na kayo, nag-chill na kayo, pwede nila yung i-take advantage para makapaghabol.
Walang relax sa loob ng hardcourt dahil tama nga naman na wala nang laro bukas.
Yes, always stay focused. Have fun pero focus pa rin sa laro. And going back sa ating ball game partner, no, shoot ng free throws ngayon si number 1. Ang ating score is 37-46 ang meron ang ating Wildcats.
Pero mahaba-haba pa yung oras para sa ating fourth quarter. 8 minutes and 10 seconds pa.
There's still plenty of time to make a comeback para sa ating Stallions. And ngayon, bongga pat to Navo ay Ayo. Ayo ngayon, double teams ng dalawang Stallions. Ayo, extra pass to Trinidad. That's gonna be a traveling violation para kay Trinidad ngayon. Turnover ng ating Wildcats. Substitution ngayon ng 4 na players ang ating Wildcats. And ayan, partner, no, to give us an update din sa side ng ating Stallions ay si Kailin. Hi Kailin, ano ang update mo papasok dito sa fourth quarter para sa Stallions?
Joshua and Francis, as per head coach Peter Barcelon, dapat daw nabantayan ng na itinatapon ng Wildcats, and he is also instructing the players to keep their composure and be mindful of their ball handling. That is the latest from my side. Back to you guys.
Salamat Kailin from the side ng ating Stallions. Ayun nga partner, sabi ni coach, match up lang. Match nila kung ano ang pinapakita ng ating Wildcats and ayusin nila yung kanilang ball handling. Because nakikita natin maraming unforced errors pa rin yung turnovers ang pinapakita ng ating Stallions. And nahalata din yun ni coach. And ayan, going back to ating ball game, makikita natin kung magiging effective ba yung mga changes na yun na ginawa ng ating both coaches. Number 13 ngayon, fires at 3. Wala. And rebound ngayon ng ating Wildcats. Po ngayon, nagtatala ng bola. Back to the outside man. Gigante to Hamila. Hamila with jumper. No good. Rebound ngayon ni number 1. Pasa kay number 2. Back to number 1. Number 1 ngayon may dala ng bola para sa Stallions. Tumuran. Number 35. Ang ganda ng ball movement ng ating Stallions. Number 35. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound kay 13. Number 1 ngayon, kumukol ng tres. No good. Fast break ngayon. 2-on-1 ang ating Wildcats. Ang ganda ng pasa. Lanuza with the 2 points. That's gonna be a timeout called para sa ating Blue Stallions. Ang ating score 50-37. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito pa rin sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 6 minutes and 12 seconds sa ating fourth and last quarter. 50-37. Lamang pa rin ang CCDI Wildcats.
And bola ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions. 77 to number 2. Pumukol ng tres. No good. Rebound ngayon ni Hamila. Hamila ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay Navo. Navo ngayon nagmamadali pero heavily guarded by number 35. Back to Hamila. Fires a 3. No good. And ayun, rebound ni number 77. Back to number 2. Number 2 ngayon to Moran. Smothered block by the big man ng ating Wildcats. I think that block belonged to Gigante. Ngayon, Lanuza. There's a foul called by our referee. 2 shots na naman para sa kanya sa ating charity stripe.
Good luck, Wildcats. CCDI SORSOGON na galing kay Arthur Hicarte. Ipanalo nyo, sabi naman ni Althea May Bazur.
And ayan, first shot ni Lanuza is no good. Number 18, wala pa rin. Intercepted pass by number 35 pero may whistle na natawag ng ating referee. Foul called on number 13, si Nabo. And ayan, number 13 ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Back to number 77 para sa ating Stallions. number 7 to number 13. Number 35. Extra pass, no good. Hindi pumasok yung floater. Ngayon, offensive rebound niya. Gigante. Ngayon, they're on the fast break. Blanco to Hamila. Back to Lanuza. That's gonna be a 2-pointer para kay Lanuza. 52 to 37 na ang ating score. Lumunugo na ang lamang ng ating Wildcats this fourth quarter of our ball game. May hirapan ng mag-comeback ang ating Blue Stallions ngayon. Ang ganda ng pasa ni number 77. Reverse layup ni number 35. Put back ni number 33. Moran, another time. Foul, pero hindi pumasok ang kanyang shot. He will go to the charity stripe to make 2 shots para sa ating Blue Stallions. 77 out, number 1 in para sa ating Stallions.
Kitang-kita sa replay. Hassel niya.
Si Moran. Number 33 fires and gets that first free throw para sa kanyang kupunan. 38 to 52 ang ating score. Second shot, no good para sa ating Blue Stallions. Ngayon, Namo nagdadala ng bola. Mamadali, extra pass, pero intercepted in number 7 and that's still gonna be a Wildcat ball. Lanuza ngayon will inbound the ball. Passes to Hamila. Number 13, fire the 3, hindi pwede, pero offensive rebound and a foul call ng ating referee para sa Wildcats. 2 shots ngayon para kay Gigante.
And a shout out kay Emma Braga na Prado, watching from San Ramon, Lagunoy.
Ayan. First shot. Pasok pa rin. Ngayon to number 7. Nagdadala ng bola. 7 going all the way. Gets it. Ngayon, back to number 1. Number 1 to the outside man. Number 7 fires a 3. Still no. Pero yun, kita. Ngayon nakuha si number 1. Ngayon, all the way left is good para kay number 1. Wildcats. Still plenty of time to make a comeback ang ating Blue Stallions. 3 minutes pa rin sa ating fourth and final quarter. Na po ngayon, balik kay Revidad. Revidad. Mamadali. Si number 1 to number 33. Number 33. Foul and counted and a chance para sa ating 3-point play. Napakaganda ng fast break na yun na pinakita ng ating Blue Stallions. Ayan, nakita natin yung foul plus a counted shot ng ating jersey number 33, Moran ng ating Blue Stallions. Will he complete the 3-point play though? He does, and that's 3 points added to the scoreboard ng ating Blue Stallions. Pero ayan, timeout called para sa ating Wildcats. 10-point lead na lang ang Wildcats. This is Bucal, Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Patapos na ang fourth quarter. Meron na lamang 2 minutes and 45 seconds. And score natin ay 43-3. 10 ng CCDI Wildcats.
10 na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Wildcats, pero yung ball possession nila ngayon. Full court press ngayon ang pinapakita ng ating Blue Stallions and partner, no? Ano kaya ang ginawang changes ng parehong kupunan sa ating ball game? Ito, nang tumawag ng timeout si Coach Bucal on the side of the Wildcats. And ayun, beautiful two-pointer ang ipinakita ng ating Wildcats ngayon. And here to give us an update kung ano ba yung changes na ginawa ni Coach Belga sa kanyang Wildcats team ay si Jessa. Jessa, ano ba ang mga changes na ginawa ni Coach Billy?
Wow, Josh and Francis, it seems that hindi pumapayag ang Wildcats na makahabol ang kalaban during the huddle. Emphasize their size advantage to the opponent. Dagdag pa nga ni Coach na huwag ihinto ang basketball dahil naku-corner sila ng kalaban and just enjoy the game. Yan lang muna ang latest mula rito. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Jessa and sa iyong update on the side ng ating Wildcats bench. Pero yan partner, going back sa ating ball game, number 35 ngayon with the ball, and I think partner, mahihirapan na talagang mag-make ng comeback ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero ayun, still not losing hope si number 1 Diang with that 3-pointer para sa kanyang team. 57-46 na ang ating score with 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining sa ating quarter.
Palitan ng 3 dahil habang nagre-report si Jessa ay nagbigay ng 3 din ng CSPC Blue Stallions.
Pero yan partner, may illegal screen na nakita ang ating referee. That's going to be a turnover para sa side ng ating Wildcats. Tawag din ng timeout Blue Stallions. We will be right back mga kaibigan for a short break. This is Bucal Season 4 live at Gen Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 1 minute and 15 seconds na lang ang natitira sa ating fourth quarter and lamang ang CCDI Wildcats.
Yes, partner, no? And sa pagtatapos ng ating ball game na ito, nais kong bigyan ng shoutout ang ating mga statisticians and si Coach JR para kung na nandoon sa malapit sa entrance ng ating gymnasium. And syempre si Sir Russell Senyora. Ayan.
Makakasama natin ang mamaya si Sir Russell.
Number 1 ngayon. Extra pass to number 13. Back to number 1. Thought about that 3 pero settles for a mid-range jumper and gets that 2-pointer. 48-57 ng ating score. 1-digit lead na lang ang ating ball game na ito. 3-possession ball game. There's still maybe a chance para sa ating Blue Stallions ngayon. 50 seconds remaining sa ating quarter na ito. Lanuza foul called sa ating team. And here to make the free throw is Lanuza. First shot is no good para sa kanya. And the jumpers are ready para sa second shot ni Lanuza. It's good para sa second shot ni Lanuza. 10-point lead ulit ang ating Wildcats and very untimely layup para kay Moranton. That's gonna be Wildcats ball again. 33 seconds remaining para sa ating ball game na ito. Foul again. Kay number 33. Penalty, 2 shots para kay Rividad ng Wildcats.
Pa-shoutout ko kaya Den Sereño, sabi ni Nino Abayon.
First shot ni Rividad is good and that puts them to an 11-point lead. Second shot, pasok, and I think, partner, that is it para sa ating ball game neto. Mahihirapan na makapaghabol ang ating Blue Stallions, and I think may turnover na nangyari sa ating Blue Stallions. Possession ulit ng ating Wildcats. Bongga pass to Hamila. And the foul again. Another foul called para sa ating Blue Stallions kay number 7. So Hamila ngayon babalik sa ating charity stripe to make 2 free throws again para sa kanyang team. First shot is good para kay Hamila. Second shot is also good para kay Hamila. Number 13 ngayon, 24 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Number 35 fires a quick 3. Hits the ring but does not go inside of the net. Shot clock is off. 12 seconds na lang. Hamila ngayon to Bonggapat. And that's going to be the last shot kay Revidad. And I think that is the ball game. And that's the final buzzer. Ang ating final score, 64-48. Panalo ang ating CCDI Wildcats. Congratulations sa inyo. And ayun, partner, no, nakasungkit na ng pinakaunang panalo ang ating CCDI Wildcats against sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Unang panalo ng Wildcats sa Bucal Season 4.
Pero partner, no, we will go on a very short commercial break, and after that, makakasama natin si Jessa and ang player of the game ng larong ito. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
We are back alive here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at kasama na po ng ating courtside reporter na si Jessa, ang player of the game, and ang player of the game ay ihahatid sa atin ng Lemon Residences, the newest hotel in the metro. Kaya Jessa, ibigay mo na and ipakilala mo na sa amin ang player of the game.
Thank you, Joshua and Francis. Now with me is the best player of the game from Computer Communication Development Institute Wildcats. Jersey number 16, Nico Hamila with 13 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, and 5 blocks, and 1 steals. He is a double-double machine of Wildcats. Before anything else, congratulations once again, Nico. Okay, wow, Wildcats are leading all throughout the game. Sabi nga ni Coach Billy and CF, ano sa tingin mo ang improvements mo after that game?
Yung sa depensa po, yun talagang pinukpok sa amin ng coach namin. Tutok sa depensa. Yun lang.
Ayan, thank you for that. So, ano naman ang iyong favorite part sa naging performance mo for this game?
Siguro yung tulungan ako ng mga teammates ko para makuha namin tong panalong to, at yun na nga po yung magandang performance na binigay sa akin ni Lord. Thank you po.
Ayan, teamwork talaga ang naging sekreto ng ating Wildcats for this game. Ayan, before anything else or before this game and any message for your supporters at sa lahat ng basketball fans na nakatutok ngayon?
Unang-una po nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na binigay sa amin itong panalo na to. At binabati ko rin po si Mama, Papa, mga kapatid ko sa bahay. Tsaka yung mga teammates ko na todo suporta sa mga coaches, kay Sir Ed Balasta, kay Sir July, mga suporta sa amin. Yun na lang po.
And thank you so much, Nico. Once again, congratulations to the best player of the game from CCDI Wildcats, Nico Hamila. This is Jasmine Navales, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Jessa and congratulations Nico from the CCDI Wildcats. So ayan, partner, no? Let's talk about yung stats niya. 13 points, 11 rebounds, may double-double na siya doon. Plus, mayroon pang extra 4 assists and 5 blocks. Grabe, napakaganda ng pinakita niya on the defensive side with also 1 steal to seal the deal para sa game na to on a win by our Wildcats.
Ayun, congratulations sa CCDI Wildcats and sa best player of the game na si Camila.